COMMODORE 2 is a global, randomized, open-label, multi-center Phase 3 trial evaluating crovalimab versus eculizumab in C5 inhibitor-naive patients with paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, or PNH. Crovalimab is a novel C5 inhibiting antibody with an innovative recycling mechanism, long half-life, and high bioavailability. These properties allow crovalimab to be administered once every 4 weeks as a low-volume subcutaneous injection by patients with PNH, their caregiver, or by a healthcare professional. In the randomized arms of COMMODORE 2, patients with PNH who had not previously been treated with a complement inhibitor were randomized 2-to-1 to crovalimab or eculizumab for 24 weeks. Crovalimab was non-inferior to eculizumab for the co-primary endpoints of hemolysis control and transfusion avoidance, as well as the secondary endpoints of breakthrough hemolysis and hemoglobin stabilization. Due to the statistical testing hierarchy, the secondary endpoint of facet fatigue was not tested for non-inferiority, but crovalimab and eculizumab both showed clinically meaningful improvement in fatigue from baseline. The safety profile of crovalimab was comparable to that of eculizumab, with similar rates of treatment-related and other serious adverse events. Among evaluable patients in the eculizumab arm who switched to crovalimab after the primary treatment period, 84% stated a preference for crovalimab. Overall, COMMODORE 2 demonstrated that crovalimab had non-inferior efficacy versus eculizumab and was well tolerated in patients with PNH naive to C5 inhibitor treatment, supporting the overall favorable benefit-risk profile of crovalimab. These results are further supported by the Phase 3 COMMODORE 1 trial, where crovalimab was compared with eculizumab in treatment-experienced patients.